So over here you can see that I got music and an audio file right here. If I were to go around over here, let me just rearrange this out so that it is on the voice. And if I were to press the play button, this is how it is played out. Hello and welcome to this tutorial series on. So the voice is not really clearly heard. That is because of the music right here. And in order to fix this, you can do it manually, but what you can also do is you can utilize an automatic detection method. So for that, you need to go around over here under edit right here under audio. You can see that smart mix is an option right here, just like this. So you can see that this is what you have. This is the background and this is the foreground right here. And the audio 1 is disabled. I don't have that out right here. So if I were to go around and apply this out, then what happens is that it is starting the auto analyzer, as you can see right here. So smart mixing is done right here, and you can see that what it did is that right on the section where there is a voiceover, it actually decreased out the volume right here so that it is better heard. So if I were to press the play now, so let's just play around from here. Hello and welcome to this tutorial series on Adobe Premiere Elements. And that is how it is heard, as you can see right here. And that is the job of the Smart Mix, which allows you to go around and analyze out whatever audio is there and will change around the volume accordingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.